Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many people are curious about. Can you use grant money for personal expenses, such as paying off debts? It's a question that often comes up, especially for those looking for financial assistance. So let's explore this topic together. Grants are typically funds provided by governments, organizations, or institutions for specific purposes, such as education, research, or community development. Unlike loans, while grants can be used for various purposes, there are usually specific eligibility criteria that applicants must meet. Some grants may have restrictions on how the funds can be used, while others may be more flexible. Can you use grant money to pay off debts? The answer depends on the grant's terms and conditions. In some cases, grants may allow for personal expenses, including debt repayment, especially if it aligns with the grant's goals or objectives. However, it's essential to carefully review the grant guidelines to ensure compliance and avoid any misuse of funds. Can you use grant money to pay off debts? The answer depends on the grant's terms and conditions. In some cases, grants may allow for personal expenses, including debt repayment, especially if it aligns with the grant's goals or objectives. However, it's essential to carefully review the grant guidelines to ensure compliance and avoid any misuse of funds. If you're unable to use grant money for debt repayment, there are other options available. Consider exploring debt relief programs, budgeting strategies, or financial counseling services to manage your debt effectively. Have you ever considered applying for a grant? What would you use the funds for? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Interested in learning more about grants and financial assistance programs? Visit our website, funds.Can, for more information and resources. Click the link below to discover how you can access grants that never need to be paid back and take control of your financial future. As we've learned today, grant money can be a valuable resource for those in need of financial support. Whether you're pursuing educational goals, funding a community project, or seeking debt relief, exploring grant opportunities can open up new possibilities. Remember to research your options carefully, adhere to grant guidelines, and make informed decisions about how to use the funds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Interested in learning more about grants and financial assistance programs? Visit our website, funds.Can, for more information and resources. Click the link below to discover how you can access grants that never need to be paid back and take control of your financial future. As we've learned today, grant money can be a valuable resource for those in need of financial support. Whether you're pursuing educational goals, funding a community project, or seeking debt relief, exploring grant opportunities can open up new possibilities. Remember to research your options carefully, adhere to grant guidelines, and make informed decisions about how to use the funds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.